Amanda, as I was listening to your video, I couldn't help but think about how, as an educational leader, we are going to have to play a role in politics, and just advocating for our students in the role of administrator. Recently I've been speaking with Senator Jane English about some things going on in our district with career academies, and one of the things we've been talking about is just making sure that every opportunity is given to every student. And the first thing she said to me was, I'm in the legislature and I want to help, so you come to me and I will push through anything that I can to help students. And that, after listening to what you had to say, I was just reminded of Senator English's desire to want to help students get the best education that they can have. And it made me realize that as an educational leader, one of the things, key roles we're going to have to play, like we read about, is working with our politicians.